In this video, I will show you how to create multiple YouTube channels under one account and one email. If you're new to the channel, please scroll down and hit that subscribe button. Once you've done that, don't forget to leave a like. Now let's jump straight into this guide. The first thing you need to do is head to youtube.com. Once you're there, go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From there, you can either go to YouTube Studio or Settings. You can access the settings from the YouTube Studio in case the layout has changed. So either click on Settings or YouTube Studio. Next, press Settings in the bottom left corner, just like this. Wait for it to load, then tap on Channel and go to Advanced Settings. Scroll down in the Advanced Settings and click on Manage YouTube Account. This will take you to the same page as if you had clicked on your profile picture and then tapped on Settings. As you can see, it's the exact same account page. Press Add or Manage your channels. It will show you all of your channels if you have multiple. Just tap on Create a new channel. Next, you will be prompted to enter a new name for your channel. You can write what you want because it does not matter. You can change it later. Choose anything you like. Just make sure it's something you want to stick with. Once you've chosen a name, click on Create. It will take a moment to load as your new YouTube channel is being created. After that, you'll be taken straight to your new channel. You can find the link to your new YouTube account at the top of the page. If you weren't automatically switched to the new channel, simply go to the top right corner, click on your profile picture, and select Switch Account. You will see all of your channels listed there, and you can switch to the channel you want. If you found this tutorial useful, please scroll down and leave a like. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.